Hello, mic check, mic test,
Hello,
test,
hello.
test, mic test, mic
Hello,
check.
hello, 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 hello. Hello! Meron.
Good morning! Good morning! Good morning! Good morning!
Three nine four seven or through our mobile number at 0960-289-2454. Send us a message at rngluzon@gmail.com. Seize the opportunity with the Regional News Group Luzon.
Happy Throwback Thursday mga kabalitaktakan! Grabe, 4 days na agad ang nakalipas sa linggong ito. Pero magkakasama pa rin tayo para simulan ang ating umaga. Pero dahil Throwback Thursday, sana naman dahil sisimulan natin ito ng positive ay huwag na kayong babalik sa mga negative people, situations, attitude, o kung ano-ano man sa inyong mga buhay para makausad na tayo. And papangunahan ng ating minion in the house, ang ating morning today, I am Randy Guzman.
Ayan, good vibes po tayo ngayong umaga. Gising, bangon po tayo ngayong umaga dahil madami tayong pag-uusapan, tawanan at matutuklasan mamaya-maya. At syempre, ako po si Taraki Babe, Jason Andaya.
Sa atin pong mga nakaupo na or kahit nakahiga pa sa harap ng kanilang mga television, you can watch us via the RNG channel, and channel number varies depending on your location. Kaya ang kailangan nyo lang gawin ay i-rescan ang inyong mga channel hanggang mahanap ninyo kami.
At para mahanap nyo pa kami ay syempre meron kaming social media accounts that you can search there. Sa aming Facebook account, you can type there Regional News Group Luzon or RNG Luzon. At syempre, hanapin nyo rin po kami sa inyong mga YouTube channel and also, of course, sa TikTok, Instagram, and ano yung isa?
Twitter.
Twitter.
We have our Twitter.
Tama.
Yes,
Ayun.
and we also have our website which is rngph.com. Kaya naman, i-search nyo na ang mga yan. And speaking of international viewers, kasi meron tayong mga international viewers because of our Facebook account. I would like to greet ang ating mga international viewers, and some are my friends and family. Hi, kina Drew, kay Rich Nell. He is from Japan. We have Lucy from UK.
Hello po.
We
Good
also have
morning.
Hazel, and si RJ nasa Pinas lang naman yan. And also kay Catherine na nasa Metro Manila. They are all watching us via the Facebook channel.
Speaking of international, ngayong araw na ito ay pinagdiriwang po natin ang International Peace and Love.
Peace and Love.
Day ngayong araw na ito. Alam mo na, partner, unting history lang dahil may isang Beatle na drummer na inask siya ng isang journalist, ano ba ang gusto mo ngayong birthday mo? Gusto niya ng peace and love. At dahil nga nag-viral siya, ay na-spread na din yung kanyang words na we encourage everyone to have peace, to have love. Kaya hindi lang ngayong araw, but of course, araw-araw.
As we should, because alam naman natin na when there is love, there is peace.
Ayun.
And kung gusto nating magkaroon ng peace, we must forgive people. And today we are celebrating the Global Forgiveness
Yun.
Day. Sa mga merong kaaway dyan, may mga nakakatampuhan, it's time to say sorry.
Oo.
Alam nyo, it's nice then to hear your stories, mga ka-MB. Meron ba kayong mga storya or mga kwento from the past kung saan meron kayong mga nakaaway and then forgive nyo sila? I-share nyo naman yan sa amin. Pwede nyo kami i-message via our Facebook page pa rin. Or pwede kayong mag-post and tag nyo ang Regional News Group Luzon.
Ayun. Kahit mahirap yan, partner, ang sarap sa feeling na may magpatawad tayo, di ba?
Pero sana naman hindi tayo masyadong hingan ng tawad kapag tayo nagsimula na ng negosyo, partner.
Ayun.
Oo, and sa mga nais pong magsimula ng kanilang negosyo, ano nga ba ang ilan sa mga dapat na isaalang-alang kasi hindi yan madali, mga business permits and all. Kaya naman sa mga gusto nang magsimula, panoorin nyo muna ang ilan sa aming mga tips sa ating segment na pinamagatan
Mind your own business.
Important for you to know your knowledge about how to conduct business legally and also how to pay your taxes legally. For today's session, we will talk about the establishment of businesses. Okay? So applicable to sa mga maliliit na negosyo, sa mga online business, at sa mga malalaking negosyo rin, no? Ibig sabihin, kung anuman ang negosyo na itatayo mo, dapat compliant ka sa batas. Ano ang mga dapat mong gawin? First, you have to register your business with the TTI or incorporate the corporation with the Securities and Exchange Commission. Ano nga ba ang pagkakaiba between DTI and SEC? Kapag ikaw ay sole proprietorship, meaning yung iyong negosyo ay ipapangalan mo sa iyong sarili, dapat yung negosyo mo nakarehistro sa Department of Trade and Industry. On the other hand, kapag ikaw ay magtatayo ng isang korporasyon at pwede kang magtayo ng korporasyon kahit ikaw ay nag-iisa lang, ibig sabihin nito, ang iyong registration ay dapat isumite sa Securities and Exchange Commission. Tandaan ang pagkakaiba ng DTI at SEC. Ngayon, kanina sinabi ko, pwede kayong mag-rehistro ng isang korporasyon kahit ikaw ay nag-iisa lang, no? So, anong ibig sabihin nito? Rehistro ang iyong negosyo sa Bureau of Internal Revenue. Kapag ikaw ay magsasubmit ng iyong registration with the Bureau of Internal Revenue, dapat alam mo na kung ano ang iyong irerehistro. Una, dapat i-tick mo yung box for registration fee kasi yon ay babayaran mo annually. Pangalawa, okay, ano ang pangalawang iti-tick mo? Income tax. Kasi ikaw ay kailangan magbayad ng income tax bawat quarter at saka sa end of the year. Pangatlo, i-tick mo kung ano ang applicable sa'yo. Percentage tax ba o value-added tax? Kung ang iyong gross sales, meaning yung kabuuan ng natatanggap mo during the entire year ay more than 3 million, dapat irehistro mo ang iyong negosyo under the VAT system. Ngayon, kung sasabihin mo, bago pa lang naman ako, so paano ko malalaman? Actually, may tinatawag tayong expected gross sales. So kung ini-expect mo, nakikita ka ng more than 3 million, dapat irehistro mo na ang iyong business sa VAT. Okay. Ano pa? Pag percentage tax, yan naman yung ine-expect mo na hindi ka naman kikita ng more than 3 million, percentage tax ang iyong babayaran. Okay, tandaan, itong application na to ay isusumiti mo sa Bureau of Internal Revenue. Marami tayong mababait na empleyado ng gobyerno na tutulungan kayo kung paano magfa-file or magre-rehistro sa BIR, no? So, you can just visit the BIR office. Okay. Ano ang susunod na gagawin? Ang susunod na gagawin, dapat kumuha ka ng business permit. No? Business permit sa city government kung nasaan ang iyong negosyo. Ngayon ang tanong, paano yon kung virtual ang aking negosyo? Saan ko yan kukunin? Okay, kukunin mo yan kung saan ka residente. So halimbawa, nandito ka sa Baguio, wala ka namang permanenteng opisina, pero ikaw ay nagne-negosyo virtually. So kailangan kunin mo yung iyong business permit from the city government of Baguio. dito rin sa ating gobyerno, city government na pinamumunuan ni Mayor Magalong, marami tayong mabubuting empleyado na i-assist kayo no doon sa city government sa inyong application for the issuance of business permit. So umpisa, medyo mahirap siya dahil maraming clearance, pero kung magre-renew na lang kayo, mabilis na lang yan. Again, saan kumukuha ng business permit? Sa local government unit. And finally, dapat kapag nakarehistro na kayo, mag-file kayo ng returns regularly, no? Hindi siya yung porket naka-apply na kayo, wala na kayong gagawin after. So dapat kapag nakarehistro ka na sa BIR, kailangan mong mag-file ng returns on a regular basis. Ang income tax return ay fina-file natin on a quarterly basis, no? For the first, second, and third quarter. At sa annual income tax return, fina-file natin yan pag ikaw ay individual, April 15 of the following year. So, for this year, 2020, for the last year, 2021, ifa-file mo yan April 15, not later than April 15, 2022. Okay. Ngayon, ano pa ang inyong kailangang tandaan? Yung percentage tax, fina-file yan quarterly. Pero pag VAT ka na, monthly na yan. No? May monthly filing ka na. Ano pa? Ang business permit, dapat yan nire-renew on an annual basis. Sana kayo ay may natutunan galing sa akin. Maraming salamat!
To those of you interested to join our free art lessons, we will be doing it every Saturday, no? And it will be from 9 o'clock to 11:30. We will do it here. Gamitin mo yung galing mo sa art. So, join and be counted.
Bizarre Music offers a complete line of musical instruments. Bizarre Music, Baguio's pioneer in online music and art lessons. Bizarre Music, bringing music closer to your hearts.
At nagbabalik po ang Morning Balitaktakan ngayong umagang ito ay makakasama po natin ang mga mental health advocates na sina Sir Kyle and Ma'am Belle ngayong umaga. They are also a mental health advocate for almost 5 years. Ayan, good morning po.
Good morning. Thank you so much for having us here.
Ayan, good morning po. Pag-usapan naman po natin about mental health kasi halos hindi na siya maalis-alis sa atin and everyday talagang madaming tao talaga ang halos lahat ay apektado dito. Why is it important po na we have people like you who are advocating mental health po?
Okay. Thank you. Siguro, naging advocate din ako with mental health because I went through it very severely, no? And siguro it's very important that we have advocates because there are those na hindi kaya maging vulnerable, hindi kayang mag-seek for support sa mga tao. So, they just really rely on people who are talking, who are fighting for other people's mental health. So, siguro it's also a way for them to release their stress when it comes to hearing people and seeing people fight for mental health for para sa mga hindi nakapagsalita.
And sir, additional lang po, no. Ano na po ba yung mga naging experiences niyo before and bakit naging mental health advocate po kayo at tinahak niyo po ito?
Yan, thank you, no. Siguro it started nag-build up lang talaga experience ko back when I was a child, no, kasi from my experience, no, and from witnessing other people as well, it all comes down to kung paano lumaki yung isang tao, no. And personally, no, there's this underlying identity within myself that I am not good enough, no. So it started from there, and then it really affected other relationships, my romantic relationship, my relationship with my friends, and it also affected kung paano ako nagpa-perform sa school, sa work and businesses.
Ayan. And I can see naman, sir, na now that I can see na you're really okay, you're really great na ngayon. And dahil nga nakita mo na yung best version, wow, best version of yourself, and na-invite mo na rin inyong family and friends. Yan, kasama natin si Ma'am Belle na isang partner mo rin, na paano naman po nyo siya na-invite, and kumusta naman po yung seminar na mga napuntahan niyo po?
So hindi ko siya in-invite, pinilit ko siya. No, when I went through my own personal experience or personal journey with discovery way back 2022, yung mismong experience ko, I really saw it as something that's very transformational. Though I went through discovery 2022, pero na-experience ko glimpses of it way back 2020 when it literally changed my life, no. And I wanted other people to also experience the same level of transformation. And I really know that it can help people, no. So I told Lubel, no, na attend ka dito, no, bayad na, along with my sister, no. And I'm just really so grateful about how it affected them, how it changed them as well.
Ay kay Ma'am Belle naman po tayo. Paano naman po, or kumusta naman po yung experience nyo that you're part already of or you're already a mental health advocate? Ano na po ba rin yung mga nagagawa nyo ngayon po?
Siguro sa akin, at first, nung nagpunta ako dun sa workshop, it's really been indifferent lang ako regarding dun. Kasi parang sa akin lahat ng seminar is papasok lang sa isang tenga ko, then lalabas lang ulit. Tapos, there are chances din naman na parang, ano mo yun, in seminar high ka lang. Na, hindi talaga siya long-lasting yung effect sa'yo. But with discovery kasi, I learned to take care of myself, to mend my relationship with my family and my friends as well. Na dati kasi I'm very closed door lang. I have these high walls around me na dito lang, hindi ko pwedeng ipakita na vulnerable ako or express my emotion too much. So yeah, that's for me.
Ayun. And question ko lang po sa inyong dalawa, ma'am and sir, no. Marami na rin po kasing mga negative comments or negative na reactions na nakukuha natin sa mga tao kapag pumupunta sila sa facilities na, of course, yung mga kaibigan nila, sinasabi nila na, ay, nag-overthink ka lang. Ano naman po yung komento nyo about dito po?
Siguro sa akin, always treat others with kindness. Kasi, diba, there are a lot of people na different way talaga yung pag-handle natin ng problems natin. And if we treat others lang with compassion and patience, I think yun yung mas magbe-better ng mga things.
Good.
Siguro para sa akin, no, instead of going out and about with other people na magsasabi ka something negative, no, maybe let's all also try to just ask them, how can I support you, no, how can I give value to you, kasi there are those na hindi gusto syempre yung inanag pa sila about what they're going through, no. So maybe we can ask them, how can I support you? Do you want someone to talk to? Do you want someone to listen to you, yung mag-rant lang, or do you want someone to distract you? Kasi it's either of those three. Hindi naman porket gusto mo magsalita, ibig sabihin kailangan kanilang magsalita.
Ayun. At syempre para naman po sa lahat, no, ano po ba yung mga aabangan po namin sa inyo? Yung mga seminars, sino po ba yung mga coaches na tumutulong sa inyo? You can tell po to everyone.
Okay, so we actually have our upcoming discovery this month, actually this weekend, no. It's in Ayala the 30th in the House of Transformation, no. And the coaches there are Coach Russ, Coach Migs Flores, and Coach Luis Go, no. And we have other coaches as well that are going through the seminars, no. And what's really great about the seminar is that once you went through it, you can also volunteer like us to witness other people's transformations, no. And as well as also re-audit, no, for free, for life, yung yung pagre-re-audit mo doon. And we have discovery every month. Every month siya na every month nagkakaroon ng discovery, no. It doesn't matter how many students, no. Talagang it's always there. It's always gonna be available for people.
Ayun. At syempre, abangan po natin ang mga seminars ng mga darating. And last na lang po ito, no, ma'am and sir. Ano po yung last message nyo to everyone, especially sa mental health? Last message to everyone and plug already your social media accounts.
Okay. So for me, siguro my last message is that you practice the power of choice, no, kasi in every day, in every moment in our lives, no, we have the power of choice. It's our choice whether we are going to choose, no, it's our choice whether we're going to just stay where we are right now, or we're going to go over and overcome whatever it is that we're going through, no, kasi if you believe that you're in your lowest point in your life, no, then there's no way but up. So, what are you gonna choose? Are you gonna choose to stay there sa pinakamababang moment ng buhay mo? Or are you going to keep climbing higher and higher and higher and living the best life that you can ever live?
Kaya na po.
So as for me naman, always practice vulnerability and boldness. Kasi, 'di ba, it's always hard for us to express ourselves. And there are a lot of people who are willing to help us if we are to be able lang na magsabi to reach for their hand or ask for their hand.
Ayun. Any addition?
So para sa akin lang, no, last words is that sometimes kasi pagdating sa mga workshops, no, let's say for example discovery, no, kapag sinabing paid, no, parang nagkakaroon tayo ng limiting beliefs na ay magbabayad pa ako dyan tapos papasok, seminar high lang yan. Pero we've been spending so much just to survive. What if we also start spending on how we can live the best life that we can ever live?
Aww. Wait lang. Nagdadigest kasi ako. But thank you so much, ma'am and sir, for really inspiring us this morning. And natutunan ko lang na we need to choose talaga kung ano talaga yung best para sa atin and give birth sa ating sa mga sarili. Wait lang na ano. But thank you so much again, Ma'am Belle and Sir Kyle. And I hope that a lot of people will still, ma-inspire nyo pa sila. Once again, good morning po.
Good morning.
Thank you so much.
Ayan, good morning sa ating lahat and thank you so much dahil napakadami nating natutunan ngayong umagang ito. Pero sa usapang mental health, may mga naalala lang akong mga natural therapeutic remedies ngayon and that is to travel. Kaya para madagdagan pa ang inyong mga bucket list, alamin sa video na ito.
Kilala ang Cordillera dahil sa iba't ibang ecotourism spots na tiyak mapapawaw ka at iyong barkada. Silipin natin ang susunod na check out sa iyong bucket list. Waterfall season na! Kaya take a dip at mamangha sa kagandahan ng falls. Hike and test those muscles sa Mount Ulap with its 3 Instagrammable spots. Kaya tumutok bukas para sa buong bucket list check out sa Morning Balitaktakan.
A new player in business? Get that head start and vamp up with the Regional News Group Luzon. Advertise now and reach your target market. Achieve success and call us at 074-637-3947 or through our mobile number at 0960-289-2454. Send us a message at rngluzon@gmail.com. Seize the opportunity with the Regional News Group Luzon.